Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple ID is signed into iCloud. This is essential because your mail is tied to that account. Once signed in, open the Mail app on iPhone or iPad or navigate to iCloud. Com in a browser and choose Mail. If two-factor authentication prompts appear, follow the on-screen code steps. This confirms it's you. Now that you've opened Mail, you're ready to view your inbox and proceed to fetch new messages. Once inside Mail, refresh the inbox to fetch any new messages. Pull down on mobile or click the refresh icon on web. This triggers server sync. Use the search field to find senders or keywords and open folders on the sidebar to view filtered mail like VIP, junk, or custom folders. When you open a message, scan headers for sender and date, and then use swipes or toolbar actions to archive, delete, or flag. This keeps your inbox organized and efficient. To finish, check mail settings, fetch frequency, notifications, and your signature, so messages arrive how you expect. If you don't see mail, confirm iCloud storage isn't full and that the account shows as synced in Settings or iCloud. Lack of storage blocks delivery. If problems persist, restart the Mail app or device and sign out of iCloud, then sign back in to reset syncing. One key troubleshooting tip: clear temporary network issues by
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.